Are you looking to boost your income in 2023? In today's video, we've stumbled upon some bold claims. 4 websites boasting easy payouts for doing surveys and tests. Now let's explore these and see how to unravel the treasures they claim to hide. Buckle up because it's about to get interesting. Askable.com. Let's dive into the first platform, Askable.com, which claims to be a game changer, offering payments of over $100 per test. According to their pitch, these tests might involve anything from website evaluations to providing feedback on new products. The allure here is the flexibility. You can supposedly do this in your spare time and get paid instantly for each test. What caught my eye is the reported $800,000 they claim to have paid out to their users to date. Now that's a substantial figure and certainly piqued my interest. As we explore further, the process seems straightforward. To kick things off, all you need to do is click on the Start Earning Now button. From there, it's a matter of signing up with your email, setting a password, and done. You're good to go. Before we proceed, I encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss money-making methods like this from Pivot Online. If you've had any experience with this platform or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned as we unravel the other websites with similar claims. HelloPingPong.com. Next up, let's shift our focus to another intriguing platform called HelloPingPong.com. According to their pitch, this website offers to pay users up to $100 per hour for participating in short user tests. As we explore their payment structure, you can see that they offer €15 for a 30-minute session and an impressive €30 for a 60-minute session. If you're up for special tests, the potential earnings climb even higher, reaching up to an unbelievable amount of €200. Now, the prospect of making this kind of income in a relatively short amount of time might sound appealing, especially considering that many people don't earn this much in a week at their regular jobs. It's pitched as a fantastic way to earn some extra money on the side by simply taking short tests in your spare time. To get started with HelloPingPong.com, head over to their website. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you'll find a section that says, Get Paid to Test. Click on it and it will take you to a page where you can sign up to become a tester. The basic requirements for this platform include having a computer and a laptop with a camera and microphone. This is because you'll be engaging in video tests on the platform, and that's precisely how you'll be compensated for your time. Ensuring a stable internet connection is crucial, so you don't face interruptions during your tests. To sign up, click on the Become a Tester section, fill out the necessary details, and hit Create My Account to get verified and start using the platform. A crucial note from the platform is to use Google Chrome while taking tests, as that's the browser they accept for anyone working on their platform. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of earning money through short user tests, consider checking out HelloPingPong.com and see if it aligns with your expectations. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Respondent.io. Now let's explore another potentially lucrative platform, Respondent.io. This platform claims to pay users for participating in high-paying surveys and tests. As we examine their payment structure, it becomes apparent that they offer substantial rewards, with some tests paying up to $100 and some even going as high as $135, $150, or an impressive $200. The promise of making hundreds of dollars in profit within the first week by completing 5 or more tests is undoubtedly appealing. What sets Respondent.io apart, according to the information available, is the consistent availability of a variety of tests on their platform. The claim is that you won't experience the long waiting times typical of other platforms. This could be a significant advantage for users looking to make money promptly. To get started with Respondent.io, the process seems straightforward. Head over to their website and click on the For Participants section. From there, click on Become a Participant, and you'll be directed to a page where you can sign up as a researcher on the platform. Respondent.io positions itself as one of the largest websites that pay individuals for their insights. The platform boasts collaborations with major brands like IBM, Microsoft, and Dropbox, which contributes to their ability to offer substantial payments. This affiliation with industry giants suggests that respondent.io is working with companies that genuinely value user feedback and have the financial resources to compensate participants accordingly. In essence, respondent.io appears to offer an opportunity for individuals to contribute their opinions and insights while being fairly compensated. Their direct engagement with major companies adds a layer of credibility to their claims. However, as with any online platform, it's essential to approach this with a degree of caution and perhaps start with a small commitment to assess the legitimacy and effectiveness of the earning potential. Userinterviews.com. Let's delve into another potential avenue for earning online. Userinterviews.com. According to the information available, this platform is touted as offering substantial compensation for participants. They claim to have an impressive array of studies, numbering in the thousands each month, covering various topics. The platform presents a clear breakdown of potential earnings based on the type of study. For online tests and surveys, participants can allegedly earn up to $300. These tests can vary in duration, ranging from as little as 10 minutes to several hours. If you're up for online interviews, the potential pay is also stated to be up to $300, with a maximum time commitment of just 2 hours. For those willing to engage in more intensive studies, there are online diary studies paying up to $400. However, these studies are noted to last several weeks, so it's emphasized that they might not be suitable for everyone due to the time investment. Alternatively, userinterviews.com offers focus group tests with a maximum time of 3 hours, paying up to $200. If you're looking for the best return on your time investment, the platform suggests joining their online studies, which claim to pay a whopping $1,500 or more per study. To get started with userinterviews.com, the process appears to be relatively simple. Click on the Sign Up button, initiating what's described as a 3-step process. Upon creating your profile, the platform will email you studies that you can start taking right away. Afterward, you can apply to these studies by answering a few questions posed by the researchers. The responses you provide supposedly help researchers determine whether you're a suitable candidate for the test. If accepted, you can complete the test and receive payment promptly, within a couple of days, according to the platform. One notable aspect emphasized by userinterviews.com is the speed of their payment process, which aims to get your earnings to you as quickly as possible. This could be an attractive feature for individuals looking for timely compensation. If you have just a few minutes to spare and are intrigued by the potential earnings, signing up for userinterviews.com might be worth considering. With thousands of new studies being added monthly, it seems like there's a wealth of opportunities to explore and potentially grow your account consistently. Reminder from Pivot Online. As we navigate through these opportunities, it's important to keep in mind that not all platforms may be accessible globally. Users should check the eligibility criteria and consider potential limitations based on their location. Remember, this exploration is a presentation of what these platforms claim to offer, and we have not verified the legitimacy of these promises. If you have experiences with any of these platforms or similar ones, your insights are valuable, so feel free to share them in the comments below. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.